I'm reading Greater is Coming book, and super love the message that I've read today. It's more of like setbacks. Like every setback is a setup for you to to be better. It's a setup for God to take us more further, and all of our suffering is putting us in a position for greater honor. Super, everything has a reason talaga. So I love reading this book. It really enlightened my day.